Hello friends, welcome to my channel of Learn Computer Step by Step. I am your host Suketu sir. We have already introduced two series, Computer Basics and Microsoft Word. This is the third series of Excel. Excel will be divided into three parts: Basic Excel, Intermediate Excel and Advanced Excel. These videos are made in English language. However, they are also available in Gujarati language. So friends, let's start learning Excel basics. Today we are going to start with the new session. We are going to learn MS Excel. Till now, I hope you must have read my all the videos of MS Word. As we know, MS Word is basically a word processor. Excel is known as spreadsheet editor. The purpose of the Word was to do all paragraph type of works like typing a letter, making reports, drafts, and something which is of paragraph type. Whereas Excel as a spreadsheet editor is supposed to do all columnar type of job, where we have all rows and columns. Columnar type of jobs means tables, registers, statements, sheets, charts, etc. Anything that is in form of rows and columns, tabular format. Here we have so many columns, okay, and multiple rows. So everything over here is row and column. Let us first understand the structure of the file in both the software, there is Word and Excel. We'll understand what Excel is made up of. Everything in order to store needs a file. If you need to store any information, you need a file. In Word, file was known as document, and every document was made up of page or multiple pages. Let's say we have made a letter which is of single page, then in that case document will only have a single page. But if you write a story, now story may be of multiple pages, 10 pages, 100 pages or 200 pages, there you need pages. So the structure here is files are in form of document and documents are divided into page or pages. Whereas in Excel, again to store information you need a file, and file when you create it is known as book. Let's take an example. I say Control N to create new Excel file. As soon as I create, I get here book file. In Word, we used to get document 1, 2, 3. Here we get book 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 or whatever it may be. Every book is again divided into different sheet or multiple sheets. Here you can see in the newly created book file, you have one sheet. Okay, you can create second sheet, you can create third sheet. Okay, and every sheet has columns and rows. The vertical things are known as columns and the horizontal things are known as rows. Let us see the structure. So every book is distributed into sheet. Sheets have rows and columns. Here I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K element columns. I go further. There are up to Z. No, it goes further. Now we have a double series A, A, B. Likewise, we have B, A, B, B, C, A, C, B, D, E, F, double series. Let's not try that. It is too long. So use the shortcut. The last column is known as XFD. That is the 16,384 column. Okay. Previously we had a 256 columns in the previous version. In current version, the limit of column is 16,384 columns, starting from A to XFD. Similarly, there is no use of counting the rows. You have so many rows, it goes into thousands and thousands and thousands. Okay, I'll use the shortcut. I go to the bottom of the sheet and I get 10,48,576 rows in each sheet. 10,48,576 rows in each sheet, and you can have multiple sheet. So every sheet will have so many columns and so many rows. Now you can see when I put my cursor anywhere, that box comes there. Technically, I would say this is the first box. What is it? It is a basically combination of rows and column. The intersection point where column and row meets is known as cell. Every row and column intersect at some place, and that is known as cell. That means if we have 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows, the multiplication of both will give the number of cells, that is 17 billion cells. 1717 crore cells in one sheet. So in second sheet again you have another 1717 crore cells. Third again you have, and you go on. I hope you understand the size of the Excel. It is too huge to manage and too huge to understand. Excel is very popular in financial market. Word is very popular for all procedural job. Excel is vast in size because the structure of the file itself says there are sheets, and sheets are divided into row and column, and there are multiple sheets having this crores of cells. Excel is much smarter than Word. In Word, everything that you type it, whether you type it A, B, C, D, 100, 15, 8, 1947, whatever you type it, everything is text in Word. Everything over here is text in Word. But as I said, Excel is very smart. It understands the information, that is data, and it divides this information into different types. Let us understand by example. I type here Suketu. Just see the behavior when I press enter. Then I type 1000, again I press enter, but the behavior is different. If I type 15/4/1997, the behavior is different. And again if I type 15/4/1997, but in a different way, the way that is suggested by the Excel, the behavior is different. If I type true, again it is different. So Excel understands the data, Excel understands the type of data and behaves accordingly. If the data type is character, it is left aligned. If it is numeric, it is right aligned. If it is correct date format, that is MMDDYY or MMDDYYYY, it is right aligned. This is not the correct way. This is an error. This is some kind of text what exercise. If you want to type date, you have to type it only in this format, and it has to be right aligned. And if you take any value that is boolean, that is true and false, only two answers, yes or no, true and false, it will be always center line. So Excel understands data very well, and accordingly it treats it, and you get the many result, multiple combination of result because of this data types. So this is what is Excel. It is a spreadsheet which has to do all columnar type of work. The structure of Excel is great. It has file 6 divide, file creates the book has multiple sheets again have thousands and thousands of rows and columns. The combination of row and column is known as cell. So you have billions of cell in each sheet. You can have multiple sheet. If you have two sheet, it is 34 billion. In our language, if I say 17 Arab information characters that can be stored in one sheet, it is too large to manage. And again, it is a different data types, character type, numeric type, and date and boolean. So this was the basic of Excel. I hope you had enjoyed this video lecture. Your comments and suggestions are important to us. Basic purpose of developing this online education system is to help students and promote computer education to all. Please suggest your friends and family members to visit our channel to promote this online computer education. I hereby thank to all my IT staff members for all their support. Specifically, I would like to thank management of Gurukul School for encouraging me to develop this online education system for all. So next time we will meet with new video, new topic on computer. Till then, bye. Thank you again.